Hi, welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you how to block a telephone number on Android so you can stop unwanted calls quickly and easily. I'll walk you through simple steps anyone can follow. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the phone app on your Android phone. This is the app you use to make and receive calls, and it's usually found on your home screen or app drawer. Opening this app is important because all call and contact controls start from here. Step 2, go to contacts from within the phone app. This section stores all the phone numbers you've saved on your device. You need to be here so you can choose the exact number you want to block. Step 3, tap to select a contact from the list. This opens the contact's details like name, number, and call options. Selecting the contact makes sure you block the correct person. Step 4, tap the 3-dot menu at the top right corner of the screen. This menu holds extra settings related to that contact. It's important because the block option is located here. Step 5, tap block contact and confirm if asked. This stops calls and messages from that number instantly. Once blocked, your phone will no longer notify you about calls from this contact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful phone tips.